Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn very specifically, briefly and with a well research about is SEO really dead. So if you wanted to learn about it, and also if you have curious like others people to know about is SEO still working, or do you need SEO for your online business to rank on search result in organically and build your brand for a long term, then this video will be very helpful for you. So let's get started. Here you can see that I have the title of this video is SEO really dead. Okay, and here's the prompt, and I have write this prompt for get the answer from the chat GPT tools. Okay, or using other tools like ChatGPT, like Google Gemini. Okay, so now we are going to check out the prompt. You can use this prompt because I will share this prompt in the video description, so you can use it to get the answer by yourself specifically. So what is the prompt? Now let's open it. Is SEO really dead? If yes, explain why. This is very important question. If yes, explain why. Then brief define differentiate advanced SEO, GEO, Geo-Targeted SEO, and AEO, answer engine optimization, in a structured, easy to understand format. Keep it concise but comprehensive with key point and actionable insight. So now we are going to use this prompt. Copy this prompt, okay, and open a browser. Here is the DeepSeek. I use it instead of ChatGPT or Google Gemini. I feel it's better for me. You can try it, but you can use anyone. So I add this prompt or paste this prompt in here and press enter. And now we can see that is the answer. Okay, we have to wait a little bit time. Okay, now start get the answer from top. Is SEO really dead? No, SEO is not dead, but it has involved significantly. Traditional tactics like in previous keyword stuffing, low quality backlink no longer work due to. For example, if you apply previous techniques or previous method on SEO to rank your Shopify online store or any e-commerce website, then it will not work. Okay, now what you have to do, AI powered search engine, Google, RankBrain, BERT, Gemini, prioritizing user intent over keyword. In previous, we can rank any store or any website based on keyword, but right now Google or others platform which have search featured, they focus on the user entrance instead of keyword. Zero click search, featured snippet, knowledge panel, reduce organic click. If you have featured snippet, knowledge panels with low search volume keyword, can we get click from the search result, can we get top position of search engine. Rise of AI content, forcing SEO to focus on EEAT. So SEO is now about balancing technicals, content and user experience. And here is the advanced SEO versus GEO versus AEO. This is the very common question right now. Everyone asks on the search engine or asks on the SEO community or everywhere who want to start their SEO expert journey or who want to learn. They have first question: is SEO really dead, or what is the advanced SEO, or what we have to do right now? So here is the main question that's mostly new learner asks in the SEO community or to SEO expert. So now we are going to learn about that. Advanced SEO definition: data driven technical optimization beyond basic. Must be remember it. Technical optimization beyond basics. Core web vital JavaScript SEO schema markup. So we have to focus on here. Focus on technical crawlability, site speed, mobile first indexing, content semantic search, topics cluster, entity optimization, authority, high quality backlink, brand signal, then actionable insight. Audit your site with tools like Screaming Frog, prioritize ETTA. Then GEO, Geo-Targeted SEO definition: optimizing for local regional visibility, like example near me searches, focus local listing, Google business profile, citation, on page local specific keyword, NPA name address phone, consistency, signal review local backlink, optimize GBP, pushed on use local schema, local business, example local business. Then AEO, answer engine optimization definition: optimizing for voice search assistance, Google AI overview, Alexa, focus on answer structured data, FAQ, how to schema, natural language, long tail question based query, how to fix a leaky Phuket, featured snippet, position zero targeting, and actionable insight, used to like answer the public to find question based query. And here is the key takeaway: SEO is not dead, it's splitting into specialized disciplines. Advanced SEO, technical plus authority, GEO, local dominance. I have another explain about that, I will share it very soon. AEO, voice search AI readiness, accept or get behind. So you have to adapt with that or get left behind. So now we are going to ask another question to be clear, that is GEO means generative engine optimization. Okay, also in here we find that GEO means geo target SEO, that means local SEO. So we have a confusion in here, so I'm going to press enter which one correct. GEO, generative engine optimization, or GEO targeted SEO. Here's the great question. Of course I asked the great question. Both GEO, generative search, generative engine optimization, and geo target SEO are valid, but refer to completely different concept in digital marketing. So you have to be clear about that. GEO as generative engine optimization, optimization content for AI powered search engine like Google AI overview, Gemini, focus structure content for LLM, large language model, zero click optimization, since AI often summarize answer, authority signal, ETTA to be cited as a source. Why it's matter? As Google shift to AI driven search, traditional SEO may decline in favor of GEO. And here is the second answer: GEO as a targeted SEO, traditional local SEO. Definition: optimizing for local regional search visibility, example coffee shop near me, focus on Google business profile, local base keyword and schema markup. Why it's matter? Still critical for bricks and mortar business, targeting nearby customers. So which one is correct? You have to be sure and get the proper answer. Both are correct, but they serve different purpose. Generative engine optimization is the newer AI force approach, and GEO targeted SEO is the traditional local SEO tactics. So how to different purpose, keyword focus, tool focus, or to keyword focus tools use future relevance, Gemini as a search expand, travel, local search remain strong. So finally, I hope you get all the answer about that, and you are right now very clear. Should you start SEO, or should you start SEO for your online business, especially Shopify online store or any e-commerce website or any website, or should you start learning SEO? SEO is not dead, because it never will be dead, because people always will be search on the internet. It will be voice search, text search, image search, or anyway they will of course search. So how much their search will be exist, the SEO will be exist. So you can focus on SEO without any hesitation. Here is the clear answer. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.